Good evening, and welcome to my unboxing of the March 2017 Loot Crate, the theme of which is Primal. Let's try to make this short and sweet, because I'm hungry. Let's see what we got here. Okay. I'm going to look at the shirt first. What do we have here? Sides up. Okay. You get to see it before me. I don't know what it is. Primal Rage. I don't know if that pertains to the arcade fighting series. That's pretty cool. I don't know what else it might pertain to. You might know better than me, but I'm going to go with the former. That's a pretty cool shirt. It's pretty ambiguous. Like, no one else would know what you were, wearing, so it could kind of blend into any situation. I might wear this to my wedding or my funeral. What else do we have? Oh shit, look what we get this month. I'm just playing. Get out of here. Okay. The next item, Jurassic World memorabilia. This is an electrified fence warning sign, and it is made out of a, I guess, aluminum. Let me get this open. Yeah, whatever it is, it's shiny and it goes like that. That's pretty cute. And as I scattered all over the carpet upon opening, it comes with cable ties so I can fasten it to things. What else have we got going on? Of course, there's the Loot Crate magazine. Apparently, they love me or us. What do we have here? There's a little insert here. I don't know what it is. I wish it was like a... Oh, God, I don't know, but it has that good recycled paper smell. What else do we have? The Loot Pin of the Month. Excuse me. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry, it's upside down. Well, that's not very pleasant. So, I don't understand. The claws are not scratching this individual's face from the outside. It appears the claws are coming from within. So, apparently this person has a full-size dinosaur within their person, and it's clawing its way out from the face. Moving on. A Predator bottle opener. Now that's pretty cool. That is so shiny. I really dig that. And lastly, this is a very slim crate this month. This might be the shortest Loot Crate video that I've ever made, but whatever this big thing was, I saved it for last. But X-Men Metals diecast Loot Crate exclusive fucking Wolverine. So if nothing else, I would enjoy a figure out of any loot crate. Let's get this thing opened up. I can't wait to see this thing. Yo. This thing is pretty stout. That is, in fact, Wolverine, and this is, in fact, die-cast metal. Hey, stop. I wish you could stop. I wish you could I wish you could feel the weight of this, because this is really heavy. And I love figures, but I love heavy figures even more. But that's heavy. I mean, I know that tapping it is no indication of weight, but this sturdy is a beast. But anyway, that's cool. This was a very slim crate. I'm actually surprised, but that's cool. I think we all have fond memories made this month of Wolverine, particularly from the Logan film. I know jump on the bandwagon, but that movie really was a treat. My girlfriend and I went to see it one lovely morning, and we went to a theater with reclining seats, which I just thought it would be like, you know, the seat pushed back, but there was an electric push button, and you can actually recline to a horizontal state. And I remember looking at her and saying, "I'm going to die today," as Logan began. She's like, "Why?" And I'm like, "My mom always warned me that I would choke to death if I ate lying down, especially popcorn." But lo and behold, I survived. But that's a wrap for this month's Loot Crate. I mean, I guess this is the trophy of the month. And that's pretty cool. I guess, like, I can explain to, you know, my kid years from now why I have this, whether it's displayed on the shelf or whether it's in the sock drawer or standing watch in the garden, you know. I'm tempted to wrap putty around this and completely encase it and then invert said putty and make a little mold. But thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful night.